This is the CROMIFY 3-pack of 11-inch rolls of vacuum sealer bags. Let's take it out of the box. And in the box are the 3 rolls. Now this is from CROMIFY. CROMIFY makes a number of vacuum sealers. However, these bags are universal and will work with any vacuum sealer out there. I happen to have a CROMIFY vacuum sealer, so that's the one I'm going to be using for this demonstration. These bags here come on a roll, of course. These rolls are 11 inches by 192, all rolled up there. They have a double wall design. You see the pattern that's there. That's actually on both sides to help evacuate more air from it. The bags that you will create from these rolls can be any length you'd like, which is why you buy them on a roll to begin with, because you can cut it to length for whatever you need. And the bags, once everything is sealed in there, are completely airtight and watertight. They're boilable, freezable, microwavable, even dishwasherable if you wanted to. Also great for sous vide cooking. Basically, that's a water bath. There's some sort of heating element with a circulator pump in there, and it keeps the water at a very steady temperature. You would seal the food in one of these bags, submerge it in there, and it will be cooked to that temperature and no further. A great way to cook. Now let's do a demonstration of this. So I have here my CROMIFY vacuum sealer. Again, this will work with any vacuum sealer out there. I've cut a section off of the roll, but you'll see this isn't exactly a bag. So we have to make it a bag. In order to do that, you have to seal one end. So we're simply going to lift it up, put the bag in the chamber like that, and place it back down. And I'm just going to press the seal button. And now the bag is sealed, so if I go to, can't stick my hand through anymore. Now I don't have any food to vacuum seal today, but what I'm going to show you is going to give you the same idea. So these are some plastic parts to a steamer gazmo, and I'm going to vacuum seal that because, again, like I said, that's going to give you exactly the same result that we're looking for. So we'll put that in just like that, pull the bag tight, and now we're going to press the vacuum seal button. And just that fast, this has been vacuum sealed. Now, like I said, I know it's not food, but take a look. Pretty much anywhere in between these items, the bag is touching itself. So there's absolutely no air, or as very little as absolutely possible in there. Very tightly wrapped against that. I'm going to give you an example here. I bought some meat recently, and I looked at the date on it, and it threw me for a loop because it was dated like a month from now. And I said, well, meat can't last that long. It was just, you know, fresh meat in the grocery store. I said, meat can't last that long. And then I looked. It was vacuum sealed, very similar to this, but, you know, on a big production scale. And that's how, because the air can't get to it, so it won't spoil anywhere near as quickly. And then I said, oh, right, it's vacuum sealed. That makes sense. And I know that when I open it up, provided it's before that date, it's going to be fresh. Another great example is strawberries. Strawberries have some sort of built-in biological timer. They know exactly when they leave the store. They look great in the store, but as soon as they get in the car to go home, they start going bad. And then the next day, you say, oh yeah, we have those strawberries. Let's break those out, open them up. I can't wait. Have them for breakfast or something. And they're already starting to get mushy and go bad and just like, why did I buy these kind of thing. We've all had this happen. Well, you can vacuum seal them in something like a bag or a canister as well. And that way you get the air out. The air is the enemy of freshness, and that is what makes the stuff spoil. If the air can't get to it, because like I said, this is perfectly sealed, the air can't get to it, so it's not going to spoil anywhere near as quickly. Works great all around. These bags, like I said, with the double wall design like that, ensure that it gets every last little molecule of air out that it possibly can. Did an excellent job. And like I said, it's compatible with all of the vacuum sealers out there. So all in all, these bags from CROMIFY are certainly a great deal. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.